Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off remote management. Go to settings, then select all settings. Go to support. Here we can see remote management. Right now it's disabled. So this option would allow the Samsung call center to remotely access and troubleshoot your TV. If you want to enable this option as part of troubleshooting, we can just press OK button on the remote and enable it. Done. So now the Samsung call center can access your remote, uh, can access your TV remotely. Let me select view terms. So we have to select I agree, then select view details, then close. Okay, now I have enabled remote management. So we have to share this pin code with the service representative, then only they can access this TV. Okay, so let me cancel it. So this way we can enable remote management. Okay, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.